మిత్రులారా, మీ అందరికీ మరొక్కసారి నా ఛానల్కు స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. ఈరోజు నిజామాబాద్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో నవంబర్ 2వ తేదీన దక్షిణ మధ్య రైల్వే జనరల్ మేనేజర్ గజానన్ మాల్యా గారు ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి ప్రెస్ మీట్ యొక్క విశేషాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. అంతకన్నా ముందుగా నిజామాబాద్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ దక్షిణ మధ్య రైల్వేలో హైదరాబాద్ డివిజన్లోని ఒక ముఖ్యమైన రైల్వే స్టేషన్. ఈ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ హైదరాబాద్ డివిజన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఏకైక NSG 3 కేటగిరీకి చెందినటువంటి రైల్వే స్టేషన్. కాచిగూడ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ NSG 2 కేటగిరీలో ఉంది. ఇక నిజామాబాద్ తర్వాత కర్నూలు మరియు బాసర్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్లు NSG 4 కేటగిరీలో ఉన్నాయి. నిజామాబాద్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ సంవత్సరానికి ప్రయాణికుల ద్వారా మరియు సరుకు రవాణా ద్వారా 100 కోట్లకు పైగా ఆదాయాన్ని ఆర్జించి పెడుతున్నటువంటి ఒక ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి రైల్వే స్టేషన్. మరి ఈ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ను ఎంత బాగా డెవలప్ చేయబోతున్నారు, మరి దీని ఆదాయానికి తగిన విధంగా ఇక్కడ ప్రయాణ సౌకర్యాలు ప్రయాణికులకు కావాల్సినటువంటి విధంగా అందించబోతున్నారా అన్న విషయాన్ని ఇప్పుడు GM గారి మాటల్లో తెలుసుకుందాం.
Regarding changing of time intercity express. Yeah, intercity. It's if you change 10-15 minutes, it will be started at about 5:15 or 5:10. It is convenient for public at large. So I represented. Yes, it's to Kachigoda. Regular Narkhed. Kachigoda Narkhed. Yeah.
You want timing to change at Nizamabad?
Yes, sir, Nizamabad. Evening in the Nizamabad. Why? Because several employees of this place are traveling, regularly used to travel. Because of their, some rule is there, government rule, except beyond 15 kilometers they cannot, but because of their personal problems, etc., everybody is traveling. Prior to 5 they travel, it's inconvenient to the department also. So it's convenient for the public at large. If the timing will change at about 5:10 or 5:15. The office will be after 5. The office will be closed. Some business people also traveling because of chairman district commission. It's a consumer dispute. Moreover,
15 hours. 17:15.
no, late.
17:15. 17:15.
At about 17:15.
But then what time it will reach?
Otherwise, some regarding another express is there, which is from Nagpur to this Secunderabad. It changed at that time also. It starts at Nagpur at about 6:08. Visakhapatnam train 6:08. Nagarsola. Yeah, Visakhapatnam and Nagarsola. Some regarding this issue also passes. Some manually are not providing passes to those who are traveling seasonal passes. Regarding to seasonal passes, only UPI app is there because some persons cannot able to download that app. So manually, if you provide that facility, it will be comfort to the public at large.
This MST is not allowed right now, but
Yeah.
you will see after COVID.
So everybody is freely traveling regularly.
Huh? There's no.
कंसेशंस का कोई कंसेशन नहीं है.
No concessions.
Other than the
Season ticket is permanent.
medically related.
Yes, season ticket. I am asking about season ticket.
Where issued? Season tickets are issued. No problem. Only concession.
Manually, you are not doing so. Even the manually regular travel is equal.
See, you will see.
160 kilometers, only 6, again another 5 kilometers.
160 kilometers that is a railway board system.
Only I mean,
Because MST is a concession ticket. So we cannot allow more than one city.
only I'm seasonal ticket I want to go.
MST is there were more rules, policy rules. It's not too much.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Water stagnant before the station. When
In
rain
our
comes
premises or outside our premises?
outside also.
In our premises or outside our premises?
No, inside our premises.
Inside my premises.
Inside.
Please look at it.
It is a burning problem. When rain comes, even vehicle will also not
You
move
will see that.
from there.
Drainage for problem. Okay.
The toilets are second platform. It is very busy, but there is no toilet is there in second platform.
Second platform, toilet on second.
Nothing is there. Tunnels is also not there. Tunnels is also not there.
The problem is that island platform में the drainage and the watering is an issue. So we generally don't provide it.
यहाँ पे पेड़ सब बनवा दीजिए।
वहाँ पे तो drainage of पानी देना है।
यहाँ पे
हाँ यहाँ पे तो है सर। Island.
Sir, another problem is there is no train display platform here.
On train display, we are changing the display. We are making it online, and we will have a sufficient number of display units.
Since last 1 year,
Then we have inaugurated
we
new stuff.
display there while entering.
We will do that. Don't worry.
Because in city of train, they have to look here. What was display
There was
there?
a problem with existing train indication system. There was a problem in upgradation of the timing. Now we have made it online, real time through Chris network. So I think this will take care, and all sufficient numbers of indication board will be provided.
Another one, sir, these trains are coming from Secunderabad or Kachiguda up to Nizamabad only 2.5 hour journey. But while we are making reservation, they will give only berths, not seating.
That is not allowed. I mean, free sitting is not allowed. Only
Not free
berths.
seating. Reservation seating is must be there.
But now, and shortly one passenger train is going to come, that will be.
So reservation only for berths, not seating is there. For all
Reservation is approved. Okay.
चेयर टाइप ट्रेन नहीं है।
hardly 2.5 hours journey only here.
You
You have
want
to provide reservation for seating.
You want seating reservation.
Yeah. Up to Nanded, FT bogies will go, but they are not providing.
गोधन से कर्नूल एक ट्रेन चाहिए सर। बहुत पैसेंजर को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा, कर्नूल टू
Bodhan to
कर्नूल, गोधन टू मयूरपुरा। और गोधन को क्या सर एक्सचेंज करिए सर, वहाँ पे ट्रेन से अवेलेबल रहने के लिए भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। निजामाबाद में थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा, तो गोधन स्टाफ है ना वहाँ पे रहने के
we
लिए
will look into it.
बस सर। और मीडिया के लिए पासेस नहीं चल रहे सर, वो थोड़ा
Passes
बहुत
अभी कोई allowed नहीं है. After COVID,
Sir, what is the reason for not developing the Bodhan trains? Even there is no toilet, no even minimum facilities also not available in
Which train?
the Bodhan railway station.
Bodhan.
And now,
Bodhan में we have not started the coaching trains. Soon we will be starting, and all the facilities will be provided.
and what is the reason sir for closing the reservation portal? Because many of the people,
Where?
Bodhan is
Bodhan, as I said, अभी coaching terminal we have stopped
Same, yes, sir.
because of the COVID. And after some time we will start the coaching trains, and all the related passenger related facilities will be provided.
Sir, passengers of Bodhan are related to railways since Nizam ticket.
Yeah,
And
we understand. We are starting a train there.
So,
Don't worry.
not
It was a COVID time, so and we are some upgrading our track also. And we will start coaching trains also.
And from the, I can see from the 1950, no even station from the Nizamabad to Bodhan not even developed. There is no toilet. I can say surely there is no toilet and
We will provide
stations available. No proper stations also
We will
available.
provide all the passenger amenities. Don't worry.
And even sir, the people of Bodhan, I can say daily 100 people, which I know, they are making reservations. It might be to giving to private. The opening the reservation counter is very useful.
The reservation counter are already web-based. You can use the internet and get your reservation done. There's no, I mean, it costs us a person to put a counter car, it requires effort, it requires money.
And we
So
are
you use the best internet.
and it is very useful, sir, because we are upskilled trained, because as we are students, we can travel from Bodhan to Telangana University, which is
Yeah, your point is well taken.
This is a good point, sir.
Yeah, understood. Your point is.
And Rayalaseema also, sir, because it was an interstate link, sir. Even from Biloli, it was in the Nanded district. People from Biloli and Nanded, and they will come and sleep, sir, in the night, and they will move to the train. That was they are related,
We
sir.
have got a representation.
Yeah, that was
we are
related
working
to
on it.
people of Bodhan.
Yeah. We have only one question.
Yes, yes.
That is rotate among others.
Since 2 years, they have started journalists passes accreditation. Train passes 50% concession.
And concession has been stopped during the
Yeah,
COVID
yes,
period.
yes.
After the COVID, the issue is settled, we will start the process.
It starts for across the country, not only here. It is stopped across the country. We
When
will
you are
start
going
on.
to solve this issue, sir? When you are going to solve this issue?
And this is common for all the
Okay, we'll make a reference to both your point, but right now we don't know.
To start the Mahbubnagar passenger from the Bodhan, and also we are requesting to start Bodhan with Vijayapalli passenger train, sir. So because of this COVID, all the trains are stopped, and we Bodhan people and the nearby all the locality, we are suffering a lot, sir, because they are poor people, poor and medium economically weaker people, they are not able to support this price. So we are requesting to start at least Bodhan to Mahbubnagar passenger, and also we are requesting to start Vijayapalli passenger. And also we the people of JSC, at least they should start Rayalaseema Express, which should be started from the Bodhan. This is our request, sir. This is our memorandum.
Definitely, we will.
With the memorandum. Thank you. Thank you.
इसको एग्जामिन करके आपके मास्क
अच्छा नहीं वेरी गुड वेरी गुड
తీసుకోమ్మా
चलिए सर
Good afternoon to all the friends from the media. Today we are on an annual inspection of Hyderabad division, starting from Mudkil to Secunderabad. And en route we have been visiting various stations, the works which are going on. They have also inspected some bridges, level crossing gates, road under bridges. We have also visited the railway colonies, and also we met public representatives at each station and honorable MLAs of the constituencies. We have received various suggestions for improvements. As you know, we have gone through a very difficult period of COVID for the last almost 20 months. and we are slowly returning to normalcy, even though there is a danger of third wave also, but let's hope it will not come. South Central Railway has restored almost 85% of the Mail Express services, and also we have restored some of the passenger trains, about 85 of them, and we are in the process of restoring another 30. Another 30 more trains, it will be shortly done, maybe within a week's time. During our visits, the main concern is everybody wants the pre-COVID trains to be put back on track, and we are working towards it. Also, there are a lot of suggestions for station improvements. Some of the works are going on, and we are trying to improve. As far as since you are the local press of Nizamabad, we have done some good works here. One is passenger amenity works which have been completed. Provision of butterfly type shelters on platform 2 and 3 towards Secunderabad end. Provision of train indication boards. Provision of basic amenities for physically challenged persons. Provision of water supply arrangements, and provision of covered over platform for full length. And we are also made this monumental flag outside the station. Amenity works which are in progress: extension of footover bridge into the circulating area, improvement of platform surfaces, and yard remodeling and construction of new platform 4 and 5. Of course, that will take a little long time because we have to shift the goods sheds. So all these improvements are going on in the Nizamabad area. There is a multifunction complex also coming up as taken up by Railway Land Development Authority. But it will take some time because post-COVID the work has not yet started. Apart from that, other stations also, a lot of improvements are being done, and it's a continuous process. So this annual inspection is done by picking up one section of each division, and the team of officers from headquarters, the principal heads of department, visit the place along with the general manager, and from the divisional railway manager and his officers accompany us, and we covers a lot of things, almost a section of 200 kilometers, and as I said, we look at the safety aspects, the passenger amenity aspects, the employee working conditions, and their housing, health, etc. So I thank all of you who have paid a visit to us and given us a patient hearing. If you have any questions, I will be glad to answer.
Sir, regarding Madhanagar ROB.
Pardon?
Madhanagar ROB.
ROB at Madhanagar, sir.
Pending.
It is pending so long time, sir.
Is there any update?
June में it is in the process of tendering. It will be done by 193. 193. It will take around 1 year for construction. The tendering is going. Okay, thank you. I think there is a modification by the state government. They have asked for the widening of the road and a double lane or something. So those things are being considered.
మిత్రులారా, జిఎం గారి యొక్క ప్రెస్ మీట్ చూశారు కదా. ఇందులో ప్రజలు ఇచ్చినటువంటి విజ్ఞప్తులు స్వీకరించడం మరియు ఇక్కడ చేపట్టబోతున్నటువంటి అభివృద్ధి పనుల గురించి మరియు ప్రజల యొక్క విజ్ఞప్తులకు ఆయన స్పందించిన తీరు, మరి ఇదే విధంగా మరి ఒక చక్కని అవగాహనతో ఈ స్టేషన్ పైన దృష్టి సారిస్తే మనము ఇంకా మన స్టేషన్ కూడా ఎంతో అభివృద్ధి చెందే అవకాశం ఉంది అని మీరు గ్రహించవచ్చు. మరి మరొక మంచి వీడియోతో మీ ముందుకు మళ్ళీ వస్తాను. అందాక సెలవు. నమస్తే.